Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Are you tired of just dreaming about your perfect vacation? Then it's about time to turn that dream into a reality using the law of attraction. In this video, we'll show you how to use the power of your thoughts and feelings to manifest your dream vacation. So sit back, relax, and let's make it happen. Before we start, let's define the law of attraction and why we want to use it to manifest our dream vacation. The law of attraction is a concept that suggests that you can attract things into your life simply by focusing on them and believing that they will come to you. It's based on the idea that your thoughts and beliefs have a powerful influence on your reality, and that if you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you can manifest your desires. Stick around and learn why vacations can help you manifest more abundance into your life. The universe is abundant and is not intimidated by the size of your dreams. Nothing is too big to manifest. Whether you're looking for a quiet retreat in the mountains or a luxurious vacation on a private island, the world is your oyster. The first step in manifesting your dream vacation is visualizing what it is you wish to attract. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifesting because it helps us create neural pathways that make the image in our mind's eye more attainable. Athletes use visualization to up-level their performance because, when done correctly, they end up firing the same muscles it takes to perform the task. Take a moment to imagine every detail of your vacation. It's crucial to tap into the feelings associated with this vacation. For example, you may be looking for a relaxing and easygoing experience, while others simply desire something more exhilarating. Whatever it is you want, focus on the feelings. This is important because when we identify those feelings, we can adjust our vibrational energy to match the vibrations of our desire. One of our favorite tips is physically writing down your dream. There's something powerful about putting pen to paper and getting our thoughts into our 3D reality. More of a tech-savvy person? No problem. Type out your dream in your notes app to keep it handy. We also encourage our followers to type out their dreams in the comments. Putting your desires out there sends a strong signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. Next, try breaking down your dream vacation into smaller steps. For example, you may choose to first manifest time off or flexibility in your schedule that allows you to take your vacation whenever you'd like. Then, you can use a similar manifestation technique to attract financial abundance to pay for the vacation of your dreams. To recap, you first want to identify your desired vacation type, then visualize it in great detail and write it down. Then consider breaking it down into smaller steps. Next, identify your limiting beliefs and trust the universe to follow through. Limiting beliefs are intrusive thoughts that try to convince our minds that we're not worthy or ready to manifest what we desire. Unfortunately, these are common and come and go no matter how proficient you are at manifesting. The good news is that we can reframe our mindset and turn this energy into something that serves us. When you doubt the process, identify where that thought is coming from. Acknowledge where that thought stemmed from and let it dissipate. Then replace that with an affirmation that serves your desire. Something like, I attract opportunities to travel the world. Or, I can travel to any destination I desire with whomever I want, and I have unlimited resources to do so. Now it's time to take action. The action should be taken with the belief that the universe will take care of the heavy lifting. You simply need to show that you're open to the opportunity. Now would be an excellent time to get your passport or map out your dream itinerary. You can set up an automatic savings rule with your bank to save money while focusing on the desired outcome. Now the hard part. Let it go. Have unwavering faith that the universe will deliver your desire at the perfect time. We can't rush this process as the timing always works in our favor. Taking vacations can help you manifest even more abundance in your life. I'm glad you asked. When we're on vacation, especially one designed from our deepest desires, we naturally raise our vibration. So we get to experience what a positive vibrational energy feels like. Then when we return home, we can take action that keeps us aligned with that vibration. Ultimately, this allows us to attract even more abundance into our 3D world. Are you ready to take the vacation of your dreams? We can't wait to hear where your dreams take you. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.